Good evening, sir. How are
Good
you?
evening. Good
How was
evening.
your day?
I'm doing good. It was really nice. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, now we are meeting very first time, then we should start with the interviews.
Yes, please. Let's start.
Yes. Okay. So first, I can say something or you want to say?
Let's start from you. Let's you begin and then
You.
I'll do my introduction later. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So now I'm a Seema and
Mm-hmm.
I'm a homemaker. I've done PG. I was teacher. Now I left the journey and I'm a teacher at home because I teach some student at home, spoken English.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a YouTuber as well. Yeah, I have been uploading videos for 1 year, but 1 year I started the journey with
Mm-hmm.
uploading videos. But I stopped because it was initial time and I was not good and I was totally clumsy because the initial time nobody is the perfect.
Yes, true.
Now I have uploading video with the English area. I have connected with the English area. I have idea how to speak, what should we speak. Now I have this type of idea because that is a language we have to speak. That is not our language. We are Indian. We
Yes.
had to copy the person. And now we can say hobbies. There are so many hobbies I have. Now I want to dance. I want to upload video. I want to visit outside. So there are so many hobbies I. Yeah, that's all. If you want to ask it, then you can ask it.
Sure. Let me give my brief intro, then I'll ask you a few questions. In fact, I have a few. Okay, my full name is Islavat Ravi Naik. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, southern part of India. I'm 32. To talk about my education qualifications, I did my graduation and then post-graduation MA in English, and then a few diplomas like ESOL from Cambridge and TEFL TESOL from Henry Harbin Institution, and then B.Ed from it's SV University, Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, and recently finished. I mean, I also did my diploma in French from. There is an NGO who provides this kind of language training and all people like from that region. And yeah, I did my French diploma up to B1 level from Alliance Francaise Institution. Though I learned the language there, but I had to take my exam from Alliance Francaise. It's a French official organization institution who runs this kind of stuff. Yeah. I started working as a French and English translator, and then soft skill trainer, and then worked as a voice coach. I did work as a freelancer and other stuff. And currently, I work as an English teacher in Uzbekistan. I recently moved here. And yeah, to talk about my hobbies, listening to music, dancing. When you said that you feel like you want to dance, and like I'm a dancer as well. Yeah, reading books and yeah, I watch movies, be it any genre, but I prefer watching sci-fi and action movies. So this is a brief intro about me. Yeah. Let me ask a question like why uh, did you have the interest of speaking English? And then you mentioned about dancing. What made you to feel like dancing and or like how it happens? Are you a dancer right from your like childhood or something like how it happens? Yeah.
No, I'm not a dancer. It's my hobby. I'm not a dancer, but yeah, I dance. Whenever I go to any party, then I dance. It's my hobby.
Great, great.
Actually, dancing giving us full of energy and we can killing two birds with a one stone. We can
True,
kill
true,
two birds.
true,
Yeah. So
true.
now while dancing, we are doing exercise as well.
Yeah, yeah,
So, while turn on my TV, while watching any song, then I dance myself.
true, true.
And
Nice.
the second question, when did I start the journey and why did I start the journey?
Yes.
Actually, first motto was joining a school. I wanted to join a school. Then I started the journey and I found one YouTuber and he uploaded my videos. I didn't aware about this type of
Mm-hmm.
conversation and we can connect with the person. We can upload videos. I was not aware about this. And after seeing then he joined me there was a Skype. Now it has shut down. it
Hmm.
is
Yeah,
not working
Skype.
out.
Yeah, yeah.
Then there's, yeah,
I think a lot of people like who they have a very good uh, passion about learning English, especially that doesn't matter with the age factor, be it students, be it young learners, like adults, like middle-aged people. They are really, really crazy about learning and especially speaking English. I don't know why, but I'm sure they feel like something being proud and being confident, be it in the public or maybe in their working uh, career or journey. I think this is a really good thing, like learning English and upscaling themselves, and this is really good. And I'm glad that you are
yes,
keeping up towards that. Great.
yes, yes. There's so many reasons. Actually, there is no age bar for learning this language. If
Yes.
we are thinking, yeah, we are given social
Hmm.
media is a ubiquitous. Now we are
True.
connecting by the social media.
True.
And after getting married, actually, we feel we have to depend on husband, on
Yeah.
other person.
Yes.
Now we are given this type of opportunity at home, then we can impart our knowledge with the person. Now we
True.
are
True.
imparting.
True. True.
So now we can do so many things. We can teach after become an eloquent speaker. We can teach. We can do so many things in our
Yes.
life.
Yes.
We can be a
Yes.
public speaker as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many things. For learning there and for doing anything, there is no age bar.
Great, great. And yeah, I'm glad that you're part of that YouTube community that we recently started, and we have a couple of people. I'm sure we're going to share our knowledge, journey, and everything, and we'll make a video where everybody is part of it. And yeah, I think that's going to happen. That's a good thing. What else? Do you have any questions, or shall we go with the flow?
Yeah, I had this question, when did you start this journey? Because recently I have watched your video. You have uploaded, I think, 20 and 23 videos.
Yeah, it's
Recently you have started.
Yeah, it's been 3 months now. I took almost 1 month break. I couldn't upload any videos for a month because I was in a process to give interviews. I mean, for this school where I was selected for this Uzbekistan teacher role, and it took me for preparing visa and my medical documents and other stuff, police clearance certification. There are a lot of procedure behind it, and that's why I stopped. And now I just recently resumed it, and going forward I'll be consistent, and I need to upload it I mean regularly because I really like enjoying, I mean interacting with people. That's a really best thing that anybody can have. I don't know, it's really good when I speak with people in English, and I feel like I'm building my confidence. I'm trying to know more about that person and about their surroundings, their journey, their past experiences. These are all really good things. That's how it happened. It's been a couple of months since I started it. Yeah. So what else?
Yes, yes. Recently you have started the journey. Moment
Yeah.
since you started the journey.
Yeah. And it wasn't my idea. In fact, I didn't have this thought to start it. My friends, their names are like Ganesh and Sriram. They saw a few videos on YouTube and they suggested me, hey Ravi, why can't you do it? Since you are working as an English teacher and have the experience of working as a soft skill trainer, why can't you do it? That's why I questioned myself. I took, I think, 4 to 5 days of time to think whether I can do it in front of the camera, or maybe what if I go wrong when I interact with people, right? So that's when I decided, okay, let's dive into it. Whatever it happens, let me start. That's how it happened, actually. Yeah.
Yes. But you think while connecting with a video call, it is difficult or audio call? It
For
is it
me,
far difficult?
I don't know. Either the ones I really enjoy. I don't mind like whether it's video or audio. I really don't have that hesitation. I just really enjoy the conversation. That's how I just dive into it, indulge into that. Yeah.
Because there are so many people say
Hmm.
video call is little less comfortable. Audio call we can talk, but while video call it's a little less comfortable. Because when I started the journey, then I was somebody actually uploaded my video in this video. It was first video.
Hmm.
It was totally clumsy. I was laughing. I was not aware of how to ask question, how to give answer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Hmm.
we have to learn eye
True,
contact because if we
true,
know any question, then we have to give him from. And if we
true.
are giving answer while looking here and there, it also can be worse.
True. Even this has helped me to give the interview for Uzbekistan job, because I had a couple of experiences where I interacted with people. So as you mentioned, like it, we can correct our body language. We can be self-controlled during the session. I mean, the interview. If someone is supposed to give any interviews, and if they have any prior experience of making such kind of videos or being part of such kind of conversations online, I mean, video sessions, they can really control their body language, their eye contact, their expressions, especially the fear. So these benefits definitely will be getting from, participating for such kind of video. I mean, calls or conversations. I think that's how it actually helped me a lot in that context, if I could say. Yeah, someone, they have to experience this thing. Of course, on call it is comfortable, but video, if you have that experience, you will definitely become a confident person. That's what they can get. Yeah.
But actually now we feel, yeah, we are able to speak English and we can improve. And while connecting with the person video call, then
Mhm.
we can know so many activities
Yeah, yeah.
because that is a language. And if
Yes,
we are talking face to face, then we feel, yeah, now we are able to give answer.
yes, yes.
While audio call, we know how to speak.
Yeah,
But how we now we are learning this language only for feeling either English, not a
yeah.
language.
Yes,
So if we are feeling, yeah, we have to connect with other person. If we are going outside, then we have to connect with the person and we can talk. We feel, yeah, now we are giving answer in English, face to
yes,
face. So that is
yes.
a practicing time.
True, true. Yeah, I agree with your points. Yeah,
Yes,
true.
yes.
So you said
Now I
you're
think that
from
you have
which state? Sorry, I it just
okay.
UP.
Yes.
Huh, got it. Yeah. Yeah, you were asking something, please.
Actually, you go outside and you always mingle with the person. You have confidence how to speak English. Do you speak English face to face with the person?
Yes, I do. Depends on my surroundings. If I have my managers, trainers, like something like that, I just try to interact in English. If I have my friends, known people, I really don't speak English much, because when I try to speak, I feel like I mean, I really don't showcase that I can speak with confidence. I just speak in my native language. It's tribal language. It's not even Telugu. Yeah, from there, I really enjoy that context, interacting it in my native language. I really don't prefer using English there. It's not required unless and until that's the right context, I believe.
Okay. When will you get any person when you starting?
Yeah, 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 true.
You feel confident while speaking English with person.
Yeah, I'm very confident, because for me it has become natural, a sort of second nature, where it comes automatically. I don't really struggle constructing sentences and all, because I know grammar structure, speaking and all, like in terms of fluency and enunciation, but sorry, pronunciation and enunciation, that's where I go little uh, low, but most of the times I'll be more confident when I interact in English. Yeah.
Mhm. Pronunciation is a very required in this language because I have so many people. they always speak from their uh, surroundings.
Yes,
We can say
yes,
if we are speaking British language, then our accent is different. If
yes.
we are speaking Indian language, then
Yeah,
our accent is different.
true, true.
So we always prefer, yeah. So
Yeah.
I always feel just exasperated, we can say.
Mhm. As you mentioned, like in the beginning stages, it takes time, but when someone is consistent enough and putting their efforts and passionate, especially about learning the language, and if they have the question why I should learn the language, that's when they can actually, I can't say they become master of it, but they can definitely have a good command over the language.